So this song has the verse, chorus, and a bridge part too. Okay, so let's look at this particular song. Part. They were on the 1, then the 5. Alright, but that's how they were voicing the 5. Okay, having the 4 in it. Okay, so on the right hand I'm having the B flat, which is the Fa. I'm having the E, which is the T, then G, which is the Re. Okay, all over the 5 they so. So 1, then 5 to the 1. Then here, because they are playing the Do still, just that they did the Fa in it. Okay, so one more time. Then, okay, all over the 1. Okay, but just that I did. Then we repeat. The left hand is doing the Do Re Mi, then the right hand is doing the Do Fa Do. Okay, you know that this invention of the Do. Okay, the Do, that's why I'm saying the Do. Okay, then the left hand is doing the Do Re Mi like this, but just that when I hit the Do here, instead of doing this, I do sus. Okay, F sus 2 like this, then to the 4. Okay, therefore you can choose to do this, or so I'm having the Fa and Fa on the left, right hand is doing the La, the Do, the Fa in the La, then to the 6. Okay, left hand I'm doing the D, I'm doing the A, right hand is doing the C, E flat, F sharp, and A. Okay, okay, to the 4, then Re, then 1 over the 5, then alright, so one more time. So that is the verse. So after the verse, there's a part that goes like this. There's a part that goes like this. Sufficiency of the say. Da, 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 da. Da 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 da, dependable. Okay, so let's check that part. It goes from the 1, okay, sufficiency of the same, to the 5, da 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 da, then flat 7 to the 2. Okay, so sufficiency of the same 1, 5, 4, 2, 1 over 5, then 5. One more time. Sufficiency of the same. Da, 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 da. This one is just extension. Okay. Then let's check the trumpet side. Okay. So they did something with the trumpet. Okay. They did this particular movement. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. More videos like this is coming your way. I'll see you in another video. Bye.